What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Let's go ahead and take a look at BTC, guys, because yes, this is in fact what's guiding the way. We got to make sure to keep an eye on BTC, guys, whenever it comes to this price action, because XRP will likely follow. Okay, guys, so what I'm noticing here is that we have a very curious setup, guys. I'm not one to really believe in the Wyckoff theory or even into Elliott wave, but there is a probability here of actually reaching this reaccumulation phase. Okay, guys. So the area that I think we're kind of sitting in could be actually right about here, right? So this would be the spring, and this, if it is truly the spring that we're sitting on, guys, this means that we would actually be making our way up towards pretty interesting upside here, guys. At least to test the 101, 102,000 of BTC, followed by a potential 104 to 105. So I guess we're just going to have to see how this thing proceeds from here, right? But if that is the case, then damn. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at XRP, because I would like to show you what happened here, guys, in respects to the algorithm, right? When we got that massive sell signal right about this top side, right up here, right? So what ended up happening is that we got that sell signal, came all the way back down to 206. And now we actually just got an indication of a buy signal right in there. You guys see it right there, right? So I'm wondering here if this is actually getting ready for some upside continuation, guys. Now, I want to remind you here, team, that this is something that's only available for the last 5 days here before it becomes a subscription base. Okay, guys. So please make sure to pick it up right here for, I mean, this is not the complicated one, guys. All you do is slap it on the chart, and then you'll be able to catch it. So get the link right up here on the top right, and you'll be good to go. All right, guys. So this is it's called the Momentum Channels Alpha Lite. Okay, guys. So let's look at the possibilities of price action here, because you know what, just to be completely transparent here, there is an indication of a possibility here. It's kind of looking like an inverse head and shoulders a bit, right? So if that is actually what's happening right here, right? So if that is actually what's happening, then the measured move towards the upside would be around $2.68. Now, if we do have a $2.68, when was it the last time that we actually touched that, that target? So it looks like we were around around February 20th that we actually got those top sides, right? 274, 268, right around there. So if we go back into BTC and take a look at that price action, well, you'll probably notice here that around that February 20th, which could be right about here, right? Let me see, right about here. Okay, so yeah, February 20th, it looks like we were sitting right at the $98,000, $99,000 zone. So this would actually be the resistances that we would be experiencing right about, I would say, if we're at the spring right here, guys, I would say that would be roughly in this area here. Okay, so let's find out, right? Let's find out if we can actually get into that zone, because following this area here would then be this area here, which would be the potentials of a 105, 106, I'm sorry, of a 107 to 108. Okay, guys, so let's just find out and see what's going on here, guys, because it is looking pretty damn bullish right now. We are getting a massive explosion towards the upside. I mean, this is already 3,000 points up from the low, right? So, I mean, that's kind of a monumental jump here, guys. And we're actually recovering. We're actually recovering this 88,800 from a massive drop into that 85,008, right, guys? So there is a huge fair value gap right inside of that daily time frame here on BTC, right between these two wicks. So this is a very curious situation happening here, guys. So I'm really curious to see what's going to happen, because there may actually be an upside to continue, guys. So this means, team, that I mean, guys, there's so much hatred going on in the comments, and so much like talking shit. Like, guys, listen, these opportunities are the ones. These are the ones where people get fearful. I mean, Warren Buffett says it himself, right? You got to buy the fear and sell the greed. You're never going to be known. You're never going to be known for buying the top. You know what I mean? Like, everybody gets all aware when price action rises towards that top, right? And then everybody's like, wow, should I buy? Should I buy? Should I buy? But no one talks about it when it's at its low. Everybody's talking about 25. Everybody's talking about 25% down, 50% down. Now I'm 80% down. It's the end of the world, guys. It's crypto. This is crypto. This is that world. Like we weren't. This was never meant to be like an easy ride here. this is going to be volatile. But the greatest things happen when volatility starts to present itself, guys. That's exactly what I can tell you. Okay, guys, so please be very careful out there. Never over leverage. Never bet what you're not willing to lose, right, guys? But if you are, I mean, look at this, right? But we're going to take a look at volatility now, see if it does have any continuation here. Bi-hourly time frame looking like it has a bull flag in here, right? Measured move to that bi-hourly could be about a 243, 243 valuation here. We still have upside on the stochastic momentum indicator and potential shift here for the for volatility, right? So let's go to the 4-hour time frame, guys. The 4-hour time frame is pivoted to the upside here. We have a lot of volatility coming in. 6-hour time frame, very, very nice upside, guys. Huge pivot towards that upside. 8-hour time frame, let's see what's up, guys. This is ridiculous. 8-hour time frame straight to the upside with an upside bias. Remember, we're using this here for acceleration, and this is the direction bias. This is looking insane. The 12-hour time frame, guys, this is massively expanded. Huge upside bias on that. Let's go. This is actually going to make a pretty nice shift, guys. Nice hammer candle printed at the bottom of this trend here. Now pairing it with the hourly time frame, inverse head and shoulders. Damn, guys, we are actually in line here, and there may actually be a potential for upside continuation in a massive manner. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. I do see this this head and shoulders, right? I see it. In fact, I see more than you. I'm noticing that this is a bearish buy formation, right? We're seeing the channel to the upside with a very bearish head and shoulders. That's a bearish buy formation breakdown setup. That means here that if price action were to reach into the areas of around $2.51, we're going to be in imminent danger. Okay, so we still have a ways to go, though. We're going to find out when we get there. Okay, guys, I need you to make sure to be very careful when putting any risk on in the broader markets, right? In the cryptocurrency markets. But anyway, guys, if you want to know how to do this, make sure to reach out to me. ARCmastersCourse@gmail.com. I know that some of these, I know that the courses have already started. I'm actually offering a massive discount on that fact. So if you want to take advantage of that, make sure to reach out to me at ARCmasters Course and ask for your syllabus and disclaimer, and you'll be able to get in line here and in class with me, guys. I'm going to be hosting these live every single time, okay? The sessions are recorded and they're filmed, so you'll be able to refer back to them and also get started there first and then meet me and the rest of the team. Okay, guys? I think this is a pretty good place to leave off. Remember to get yourself that algorithm and send me an email here to get yourself educated, okay, guys? I love you very much, and if there's any questions, you know where to reach me, okay, team? Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever, ever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, very good rest of your night and or day, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios, team.